All right, and the VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week is Rainglow Themes. So this was made by creator Dayle Rees. This is one extension, and there are over 320 syntax and UI themes in here. So
It's a bunch. It's a bunch.
This is bang for your buck, and most of his themes have a dark version, a high contrast version, and a light version. So you get lots of choices here. Not only is it on VS Code, it's also available on other editors, Sublime Text, IntelliJ IDEA, probably a lot of others. And I think you can get them on Vim if you're command line junkie. So go ahead and find Rainglow, and then when you go to color theme, you'll see all of these. And Grant and I were wanting to talk about our favorites. So
I don't know. Yeah, my favorite. So there's a long list, and they've all got different names. Mine, for some reason, is named Crackpot. That's my favorite one, though. I've been using it probably for over a year now. It's kind of like a purple and sort of a lighter orange sort of thing. It's very unique, but I've always just really liked it.
So I'm showing it right here on the screen using some
code
if you want to see it. So this is the Crackpot theme, and if I go to switch color themes, you'll see there's also a contrast. It's a much deeper black instead of the purple. Or you can get a Crackpot light, which is again a light theme using those same kind of purples. So yeah, Crackpot, that's a good theme.
Yeah,
I like that one. Whoops, can't type now. There's Crackpot. My favorite Rainglow theme that I keep coming back to is Jewel. Jewel is the one that I prefer. So you can see here on the screen. I don't know how to describe it except that I like it. And again, it has its own high contrast light theme as well. And again, there are so many. You can see all of these Rainglows on mine. I can just keep going through. Most of the themes I have installed are Rainglow. So
our very own Michael Bourne showed me, because him and I have both been using the Rainglow themes for a long time, and there's just so many of them. He showed me that there's actually a VS Code extension that will switch them out on a schedule. So if you wanted to set it up to where every day you get something, I guess it depends if if you like that sort of stuff or not, but if you can schedule it to change out from the different Rainglow themes, because there's just so many of them.
That's fun. Then you can try out a bunch and see which one you like. So
yeah.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.